as I understand, transportation is a major challenge here in Lahore. We've been experiencing in our time here the smog in the city, which is contributed in part by the industry and by the transport network here within Lahore. So part of our strategy on the master plan for 2050 is to come up with ways that we can help address the smog by changing some of the transport system. And by what we mean by that is looking at ways that we can change the land uses in terms of the way people move around the city and the way they move around the region. So rather than being reliant purely on the automobile, we're looking to the future. What are the technologies? We know that electric cars are coming. We know that that's something that can be planned for and built into the plan. There's an opportunity to really grow the metro network. So we're looking at ways that the metro network might be able to be expanded. But in particular, we're looking at opportunities around the existing metro stations. We think there's a great possibility for transit-oriented development, TOD, here in Lahore. We think there's ways that we can increase the density around some of the transit stations to allow people to walk places, to move around, to cycle, to have different ways to move around the city rather than being reliant upon the automobile. So it goes hand in hand, changes in the transport system, along with looking at changes in the land use. Hopefully we can come up with a great plan for the next 30 years that will create a sustainable mobility network and ultimately address some of the smog issues. On the industrial side, we're looking at the current industries. We're projecting ahead what the future industries might be like, potential clean industries, other sectors, and we're looking at locations of where future industrial growth might happen. So rather than having some of the dirty industry right within the city, there might be locations for industrial places throughout Lahore Division, close to jobs, but also in a way that are not an impact on the pollution for the residents of the city.